Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. So in this video, I will show three methods to hide ABC column. So in first method, so we will create one dimension table. So all the fields must be dimension fields. So I will drag location, then product and segment. So to hide this ABC column, the first method is to use the polygon. So in the marks card, we will select polygon. So you can see the ABC is hidden, uh, but still we are seeing the column here. So to hide this column, we'll right click and format, and then we'll go to borders, and here we'll select column divider as none, and then we will decrease the height of this column. So this is the first method in which you can hide the blank or ABC column. So for next method, I will create a different chart using location, product, segment. So in this method, uh, we will drag this field to right. Then once again, we'll drag this line to left until it is closer to the segment line. So now, like still the line is visible or the column is visible here. So to hide that, uh, I will press Control and left arrow key from our keyboard so that the line will come closer to the segment field. Just observe Control, left arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the column is hidden. This is the best method to use. Another method is using a blank field. So to do that, I will create one another dimension chart. So country, product, segment, and here I will double click and I will type blank value. Here I will select labels. So the ABC column is hidden. And to format again, we can disable the borders from column divider as none. And then we can bring this to closer. In this way, like you can hide the ABC column, but the second method is the simpler one. Just we need to drag the line to left as much as possible, and then we can click Control and left arrow key. So I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.